Hey guys, Noah here with MarineMax in St. Pete, and we do have a special treat for you today. One of my favorite models that we sell here at MarineMax, the Boston Whaler 25 Dauntless. For the serious fisherman, for the guy that wants to take out some family and friends on the same exact boat, this is a little bit of a do-it-all kind of boat. So we have a 300 Mercury Verado here in the back, along with a 10-foot power pole blade. That's going to allow you to, one, get on plane quick, and two, when you're ready to do some shallow water fishing, you can drop down the power pole, stay silent, stay secure, and be able to do some fishing. If you do want to run a little bit skinnier than the average guy, we do have the Atlas 6-inch jack plate here. So that's going to allow you to, one, run skinnier in the shallow water, and two, it will help you to get a little bit of a better MPG when you're at full speed. Just drop the jack plate up a little bit and you'll be good to go. In the back here, we do have 2 seats. You can put these 2 seats away when it's time to fish so they don't get bloody. We do have a live well here in the back, a pretty spacious live well. Pretty easy, just close this, flip of a thumb, and you're good to go. Like I did mention, if you are wanting to do some fishing, these are simply pop in right here. You can take this out, open up this hatch right here. This is just some small access to your bilge pumps and whatnot. Drop the seating down here, fold down the backrest, and just like that, you have this full platform to fish on. So it's a very versatile boat. The sound system is fantastic on this boat. Like I said, it's a little bit of a do-it-all kind of boat. Boston Whaler, as you know, is foam-filled, one of the best riding boats out here on the market. So I just ran this boat the other day and I was thoroughly impressed. That's why it's one of my favorite boats that MarineMax sells. Let's go to the Helm. Before we pop into the Helm, I did forget to mention that we do have 4 total rod holders in the back right here. So if you were going to do some trolling, excellent spot to do so. You could run 4 off the back right here and 1 on each side. You could have a lot of lines out at one time, as well as 4 rocket launchers right here in the captain's seat and 4 up top. So plenty of room for rod storage for the serious angler. As I come into the Helm, you're greeted by a really comfy captain's seat here with plenty of footrests if you wanted to hop up on plane and cruise around. Pretty comfy. If you wanted to do a walk around the boat, if you were going to do some fishing, you can pop everything up. Everything is out of the way. So coming into the Helm, finally, we do have a steering wheel that has a 3-spot mechanism wherever your comfort zone is for driving the boat. On the left side, we do have our jack plate, so we can drop the motor all the way down when we're in those rough seas. When we decide to go a little bit shallower, jack plate comes up. Your skeg won't be as likely to touch the bottom. We do have our upgraded 12-inch Simrad screen that does come with a bottom finder. It does come with a fish finder as well and side scan. Starting the motor up right here with a one-touch system. One thing that I do get quite a bit when I take people on the 25 Dauntless is, hey, this Mercury 300 is extremely quiet. I don't know if you could hear it on the video, but it is really quiet. So I'll turn that off right here. This does have the active trim as well. Lenco trim tabs are a must on this boat to increase the ride quality. If you have a couple of people on the left side, you can throw the right trim tab down, vice versa. It's going to make the ride quality a lot better. Pretty simple dash layout right here. You have your live well, your courtesy lights, horn, bilge pump. It is on a floater switch, but I would still run that every now and then. When the motor is on, you have your Mercury screen right here that's going to have your RPMs. That's going to have your fuel gauge. This is just the oil setup screen because this boat is not sold yet. So all of your Mercury information is right there at your fingertips, super easy to handle. And then of course your JL Audio radio and your Simrad VHF. Now one little trick that's pretty cool on this boat is a phone charger. Now my phone has a case on it, it still doesn't matter. You pop your phone right up there, and as you can see, the phone is now charging. So I was out trolling the other day on a Boston Whaler 25 Dauntless, and I had my phone there all day charging. The radio was on Bluetooth, so it was pretty cool knowing that I didn't have to worry about any cords and whatnot. So this is the helm of the 25 Dauntless. Super clean. I love everything about it, from up top to down bottom. You can see all around the boat. There really is no blockage in view, and just running this boat, you feel super safe with everything around you. So we'll continue up to the front of the boat. A big feature that not many bay boats offer is the head compartment here. There's a very spacious head compartment, whether you wanted to pack that with all the stuff that you're bringing on the boat for the day, or have it accessible for someone to use the head. There is plenty of space and the options to do so. So we'll close up that door. I did forget to mention that this boat does come with a premium sound system. So you have 2 speakers in the back, 2 midship, 2 in the front, as well as a subwoofer. So a huge key component to the 25 Dauntless is the sun pad in the middle of the boat. Really not a lot of bay boats offer a luxurious sun pad like this, as well as a really cool storage spot underneath the sun pad. You can fit all kinds of fishing gear. If you wanted your cooler out of the way and not under the captain's seat, you can do that as well. There truly is a lot of space right there. There is drains in the bottom. Close that up. A really fun, entertaining area here. All padded cushions up front. They are on snaps, so if you were having a fishing day, you could remove those as well. And if you're having the family out, just pop these seats up right here. They do lock into place. You can enjoy a day out on the water, an intercoastal cruise, and relax. This really is a cool, simple, clean boat. I love fishing off of this boat. I love cruising off of this boat. You probably get the feeling that I want to own one of these in the future, and the answer is yes. This is the right boat for me, at least. So yeah, come on down. MarineMax St. Pete, 6810 Gulfport Boulevard South. We're here. We have 2 of these in stock, a brand new one, and we just took in a used 2022 25 Dauntless in on trade. That is extremely clean. So we do have options here. So come on down, come check us out. We'll take you on the sea trial. We'll have some fun. See you here soon, guys. Noah Luke, MarineMax.